I want to say to both individuals who are going to be benefiting from these units. These units were built with care, compassion, and understanding. And I want you to treat the units in a very special way. So far, we have not had any abuse of any of these units that we have been building since 2016, and I think that is very commendable.
We would love to be able to do this kind of thing for many more, because the need is there, we know that. But we can only do what is available to us through the channels of the government, whether it be through the HOPE program or in this case through the local government program. So we will continue to press, and the minister just had a conversation, so we hope to see some future activity, in the not too distant future.
It is my greatest pleasure to give you thanks to the Minister of Local Government and Community Development, Mr. Mark Golden, Member of Parliament, Miss Louise Newland, Councillor, the Poor Relief Department, and the entire KSAMC, supporters of the community, and to Mr. Orret and his hard-working team. I say thanks, and I wish for you and me a Merry Christmas.
I want us, the recipient, to take care of this. This is an investment, a lifetime investment. To encourage, it doesn't matter, paint your place regularly and make it look good. And by doing that, others also will improve their surrounding.